Hi, so you already know how to write a paragraph in English. You can say things like, I cook dinner, I go to work, I'm tired. But do you want to sound more fluent, more natural, more like an English speaker? Today, I'll show you how to upgrade 7 simple sentences into fluent real world English step by step. Let's make your English smoother, smarter, and more adult. So, the basic sentence is I wake up at 7, and the fluent sentence would be I usually get up around 7 ish. So, the tip is to use usually, around, or ish to sound more relaxed and natural. Next is I cook dinner, or I usually throw something together around 8. So throw something together means casual cooking. Basic, I am tired, and the fluent would be I am totally drained today, or I'm wiped out. Next is I go to the office. The fluent sentence would be I head to the office around 8, or I'm usually out the door by 9. Next basic sentence is I check my phone. So the fluent sentence would be first thing in the morning I scroll through my messages. Next sentence is I have a meeting. So the fluent sentence would be I jump on a quick call with my team, or we have our daily check-in. Next basic sentence is I eat and go to the bed. So the fluent sentence would be I grab dinner, relax for a bit, and crash around 10. Crash means go to sleep in an informal way. So the old version was I wake up at 7, I check my phone, I cook dinner, I go to the office, I have a meeting, I'm tired, I sleep. And the new version is I usually get up around 7ish and scroll through my messages. Then I head to the office and jump on a quick check-in. Later, I throw something together for dinner and relax. By 10, I'm totally wiped out and ready to crash. That's fluent English, and you already knew the words. Try this. Pick 3 simple sentences you use every day, upgrade them using today's tips, speak them out loud, comment your upgraded version below. I'll check it. For example, old was I'm tired, and the new version is I'm completely wiped out today. Well done. And in day 6, we'll go deeper. You'll learn how to ask fluent questions, not just answer. From simple, what time is it, to polite professional English. Subscribe, hit the bell, and keep speaking because you're just one upgrade away from fluency.